In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change profile picture on CoinStats. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click, plus a few tips to make sure your new photo looks great. I'll be demonstrating this on the web version, so open your browser and make sure you're signed into your CoinStats account. Have a clear photo ready on your computer and keep it under 2 megabytes so it uploads without issues. Start by heading to the CoinStats website. Once the page loads and you're on your dashboard, look toward the top right corner for your profile icon. This is the small avatar or silhouette that represents your account. Click that icon to open your account menu. From that menu, click your profile username. This takes you to your profile or personal data section where you can manage what others see when they view your account. On this page, find your current profile photo. When you move your mouse over it, you'll see a small edit icon appear on or near the image. Click that edit icon to begin changing your picture. You'll now see the option to upload a new photo. Choose Upload New Photo and your file browser will open. Navigate to the image you want to use, select it, and confirm. Remember, CoinStats enforces a file size limit of about 2 megabytes, so if your image is too large, consider exporting it at a slightly lower quality or resizing it before trying again. Most standard image formats work fine, and a square or centered image usually looks best in small avatar circles. After you pick the file, CoinStats may show you a quick preview. Make sure your face or logo is centered and not cut off. If the site offers a simple crop or zoom tool, use it to frame your image neatly. Some accounts update automatically once the file is uploaded. If you see a save or update button, click it to confirm your change. Give the page a moment to refresh. Your new profile picture should now appear on the profile page and in the top right corner of your dashboard. If you don't see it right away, try reloading the page or clearing your browser cache. If you encounter an error about size or format, switch to a smaller image and try again, or compress the current photo with an online tool before re-uploading. That's it. You've successfully changed your profile picture on CoinStats. Thanks for watching and enjoy your updated profile.